I think it's a biome map that I have, but I don't remember. I don't remember, dudes. Sorry. Wow, man. Your boy's tired today. Alright, I'm not sure what we're going to do with that. I have some ideas floating around, but... yeah. It's time for a truck break anyway, at 4? Oh. Okay. This truck break is no more than 30 minutes, though. %90 probability of violation. Okay. Alright, maybe this will get my mind off of it, dude. I just, yeah. Weed, I'm trying, dude. So, like, what I tried to do, actually, here, I think I know why I'm like, today. So what I tried to do, guys, is, when I logged off the stream last night at like 8 o'clock, I went right to sleep. And I did manage to sleep all night, but I woke up at 4. The reason why I woke up at 4 is because I need to wake up at 4 tomorrow. I need to wake up at 4 tomorrow because I need to drive to Detroit. So I've been moving my sleep schedule around. So I woke up at 4 and I tried to stay up and I ended up getting super freaking tired at like 11 a.m. And I slept for 30 minutes and then got back up and then came out here and started streaming. So like, that's probably the reason why I can't think straight. It did screw me up a little bit, but we'll go out in the garage and get our mind off things. The positions in my suggestion is the best part count wise I can think of in terms of rotational positioning while still getting a dodgy 9%. The pins, Aqualex. Yeah, I understand that, but I don't know, man. I'd have to do kind of a little bit of a trade study onto the antennas and see how well that works. Can you tell me everything you know about the UAE Space Agency? Yeah. They're in the United Arab Emirates. Okay. Test. Test. Testing. Did you know that NASA is a space agency? Who? Who's a space agency? I don't know what that means. You know what? I don't want to mess my hat up. Every time I come out here, I get these hats dirty, and I don't want to mess them up. So I'm going to put my nice hat in here. We'll put the nice hats in here. All right. Give me 1 second, dudes. Welcome to the garage stretch break. I need to... yeah. I got to pee. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. No, I'm not keeping the mic on for this, weirdos. Ah, yeah. Okay. Streamer in chat, we got you on the big loop. All right, well, yeah. Yesterday, I didn't go right to bed. I did this, and then I went to bed. But yeah, I got the A-pillar kind of all cleared up, dudes. Model M moment. Yeah. Yeah, wait, can you see it? You can't see it, it's over here. But, yeah. The other reason why I was thinking antennas was because I'm under the impression the end is rounded. So, no, it's just a cylinder, dude. It has a flat collider on the end. Why tonneau cover versus open bed? Rarest, I put a tonneau on it so the bed wouldn't get messed up. Yeah, Aqualex, the reason why I would like to do the thermo bearing is because the RCS has a spherical glider. So if I have it on one side, it'll work like a pilot dowel because the top is rounded and it'll help line us up. That's the reason why I want to do that. The problem is that it's so many freaking parts. What about sprayed bed liner? Money? Yeah, the bed on this truck, Rarest, is all... Yeah, so there's holes in it. There's holes in it everywhere. Not rust holes. They're drilled. It looks like whoever had this bed, this 8-foot box before me, had some kind of pre-running truck or something, because there's holes in them, but don't get me wrong, they have plates over them. The plates were tack welded back in. It looks like someone had a cage coming out of the bed, like on some, like a pre-runner or something. Because yeah, there's a hole here, there's a hole right here, and then there's a slot. There's like huge panels back here that are covering up the bed. Yeah, don't get me wrong, they put plates over them, but yeah, I just, yeah, it didn't even cross my mind to just rhino line the thing. But I don't really like rust liner either, you know? And there is a hole. This is useful. There is a hole that's still there, and the hole leads to the filler neck on the gas tank. That's nice, especially if you have to take the bed off a lot, because I could just get up there from the top and just undo the hose and then go, you know? Don't let Elon see this truck. He'll try to put a sunroof on it. I don't understand. Just flex seal it. Make Billy Mays proud. Yeah. So the bed is pretty intact, Rarest, but it needs it does need stuff. That, and I just kind of like the tonneau cover. This tonneau cover is really nice. I gotta take out the trash in here. Yeah, I like it. It's cool. I do love having an 8-foot box, though. It's pretty sweet, man. Long beds are so damn useful. Oh, I gotta clean this. Yeah. Yeah, here, let me get the webcam. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, here, take a look. So, if you're wondering why those sheets of paper are there, they're dryer lint. It's dryer sheets, keeps the mouses away. But see what I'm talking about? See right here? See right here? Somebody caged this. This had a cage, or this was a fifth wheel or something. Yeah. I don't know which one it is. Can't figure it out. But this bed it's pretty good, but it is banged up. It was used, so there's a lot of dents on the inside of it, but whatever. And you know what? Hold on. Is this? Oh. Oh shoot, I thought this was just paint. Definitely not. It's definitely not paint. That has a really rough texture to it. Either that or it's crappily, terribly applied paint. Nope, that's definitely. Yep, okay. That's some kind of crappy bed liner. Yeah, it's definitely liner. I thought it was just paint, but I mean, you see all the chips in it and stuff. There's a lot of bare metal back there. I didn't want to. I just put a tonneau over it, so I guess I got the best of both worlds. Dude, I thought it was paint. I thought it was just badly applied spray paint. Seriously, if you look at it in some areas, it doesn't even have a rough texture on it. It literally looks like paint. But yeah, between all the holes in the bed and stuff, yeah, it's just, I don't want crap in here. So I take the tonneau. The tonneau can roll up, obviously. So I take the tonneau off if I need to use the bed. Other than that, I have it covered. But yeah, I don't want the inside of the box getting messed up any more than it already is. That's kind of the reason why I did it this way. But yeah, the guy had a cage in this thing or something. I don't know. Cage or a fifth wheel or towing or whatever. I'm not exactly sure. Sounds good for moving around so much. Yeah, I got a lapel mic. Yeah. Out here in the garage, yeah. I would use that in my office, but a lapel mic, why? Well, that doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make a sense. When in doubt, aliens did it. Yep. Fifth wheel F-250. Something for the future would make Gov Planet more dangerous. I say that as a positive. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Are you still hung up about how much your art mirrored reality? No, not really. It's funny though. No, King, I'm like I gotta figure out a way to get those modules made, dude. But if we can't make a docking system, it's not even worth it. Like, I might need to work on them, which does suck. But you know, maybe I can do it if I'm alone in my head. You know what I'm saying? Transmission oil change when? Huh? Transmission oil change. But yeah, why do I need to change the transmission oil? I'm confused. Yeah, dude, that trying to reset my sleep schedule really screwed me up. I can't really, just like today. This is what happens when you get into your 30s. This paint came out nice though. I mean, seriously, this clear. I did the A-pillar last night, like right when I left stream. It really looks nice. I mean, it's still a little streaky right there. Hold on. There's still some blue residue right there. Take a look. Sounds to me like a 30s thing. Yeah, you're probably right. Dude, yeah. Just today, you know. Is there room for an SSTO crew access only craft with your new save? No, not really. That brake clean is done. I seriously think a buffer wheel would probably be better here, but I think my buffer wheel is at my parents' house, which doesn't really do us any good right now. It's brake clean shot. Hey, Dred, what's going on? What about a Michael Bublé wheel? Just sing at it? Yeah. I really wish I had, like, turtle wax or something. Turtle wax would be super useful here. Because I think that a buffing wheel and some buffing compound will get the paint off. If the brake clean's doing it, that's all I can think of. Like, you know, that'll do it. How's truck stuff? It's good, man. I got the A-pillar last night. Did a little bit of that. You know, so dude, you know what? I'll show you guys. You guys haven't seen up close. I'll show you. I got the A-pillar figured out. Take a look. Look at that. That's really nice paint. Not bad from the factory, dude. Once again, the paint is still chipped up here. But see that? See the marks? That's primer. It's not down to bare. I know it's not down to bare because I can see bare metal right there. That's bare metal. See that splotch in the center? This is all primer, which is good. That means that this won't get messed up. There's bare right there too. But yeah, that's all primer in there. I missed a little bit. That spot we gotta be worried about. But honestly, this from like here down to about here, I'll probably repaint it. I'll repaint all that because it needs to be. And then you can definitely see that the same thing is going on right here, right here, right here, right here. I mean, it looks like the surface of the moon up there. And then there is a dent in the top. You see this crease right here? Yeah. I banged out a good deal of them, but there's also another dent over there by the third brake light. But yeah, seeing all back here is all could use some work. How do you dent the roof? It looks like the guy put something in the pickup bed and then leaned it up there. What the hell? Hey! 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 Get the hell off my truck! What is that thing? That thing is probably really confused. What is that? Spider? Looked like a zergling, Lester. Smaller type of zerg. He can chill. I like them. They eat bugs. How does the metal feel? Any soft spots? No. No, not at all. Head crab for squirrels? Yeah. Here. You know what? We'll get at that today. We'll see what we can do. Screw it. But I don't want to be here for very long. Give him a name. Jeff. Here, goalie. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Yep. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of chip paint here on the B pillar. Spray directly onto the towel. Yeah, we could do that. Problem is the stuff evaporates like crazy. Yeah, that does seem to work a little bit better, Chris. Yeah, see, we got down to the blue there a little ways. There we go, there's some white paint. What do you think, Mr. Spoder friend? Yeah, he's just chilling up there. Better not have a spider's nest in my third brake light. That would be really messed up. I wouldn't do that to you. You dig the blue? Oh, yeah. Spoder's probably out of his mind from the fumes. Yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah, see, this rag's wasted. Hands get all gross. This is art. Crap all over my hands because I missed again. Nice. Truck is looking full of freedom. Yeah, there you go. It's really cold. Dude, if we can do this with brake clean, I'm pretty sure we could do it with a buffing wheel and be careful enough to not screw the paint. I'm pretty sure, because this stuff is coming off easy. I mean, I could, because I'm not doing too well on the Kerbal front today. I could just go get a buffing wheel and send it, but I'm pretty sure I want to I mean, I'll give myself some homework. But, yeah. It's fine, drummer. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, passing, right? Hey guys, thanks for the sub gift train yesterday, man. You guys gifted out like 100 subs. I don't know what I did, but I do appreciate it. I'm sorry I really can't focus today. It's really annoying. But yeah, getting up at 4 kind of screwed me up there. I was afraid of that. Your pleasure? Right on, man. Thank you. Thank you for being so supportive. I really don't like coming in here with my pants down, you know what I'm saying? Not like that. Mentally, figuratively. It's like getting caught with your pants down, huh? We can make Die Hard references. That's fine. It's a Christmas movie. It's all good. Hey, Aji. Hey, Guardian, 26-month resub. Thank you. Oh, yeah, I still have the alerter shut off from yesterday because you broke it. There we go. You guys broke the damn alerter yesterday. It wouldn't stop. Yeah, see, once you put some elbow grease into this, stuff comes right off. You just really got to press. That's the other thing that leads me to believe a buffer wheel might do us right here. Some gas money? Thanks, man. Thanks, Weed. Thanks for all the support over the past couple of months, man. I do appreciate it. Just trying to get back to where we need to get back to before KSP2 comes out, man. Yeah, this up here, it's seen better days with the paint. Nice. That's awesome, Dink. Thanks for doing the shuttle in KSP. My pleasure, man. It has been fun doing the shuttle, dude. This damn spray paint off. Oh, dude, this part up here is tired as hell. Yeah, see, this paint's not savable up here. Yeah, the one at the top of the B pillar is no good. Paint up here is absolutely wasted. That's no good. Down here though, pretty nice. Not bad. Yeah, I think you're right. I think Chris said it. It's best to you spray and saturate the rag. This stuff doesn't evaporate as quick. Yeah, we got a little bit of a dent right there. There's a little bit of a dent in the cab. But see, what I'm trying not to do, if you look, it's really dirty right now. I'm trying not to swirl paint over the clear coat, but clear coat. Nice. Stop talking like Elmer Fudd, man. Be very quiet. I'm stripping paint. All right, I gotta get a clean rag and clean that up. Yep. Yeah, that's right, passing, yeah. So let me get the clean rag here and just... Yep, this was definitely a work truck, dudes. Definitely. All right, take a look. Oh. Come here. Did they paint the inside of the doors too? Yep. Only with the blue though, so it won't be as bad. I did do this. I did clean off the inside of the jam, but all in here is all... It's all screwed up. Once again, the paint that's down here, very nice. Very nice paint. It's in really good condition. Just could use a cut and a buff. And it's a little scratched. There's a couple of surface scratches here. I mean, good comparatively to that, you know. This right here, that's in really good condition. And then the first part that I did was down here. That paint's really nice. It's not nice right there, but it is nice. It's nice up here. Really wondering what the paint on the door is going to look like when it's done. But that's, yeah, that's a lot of surface area. Surface scratches, they'll buff out. Vastly improve over the stuff that was covering it before. Yeah, Birch, yeah. Almost brand new paint job, basically free with some scratches. Yeah, dude. See, I can fix this. This is no problem. We can fix that. It's a little weird up here. I don't know if you guys can see up here. The paint's bubbling. It looks like it's just solar damage. Like even under the brake clean. Yeah. There's something strange going on up there. I think that's just sun damage, if I'm looking at that right. Yeah. Hey Jeff, 61-month resub. Appreciate it, man. That is a huge spider down there. Dude, bigger than a quarter. Damn, you guys got to see that thing. Look at the size of that spider. Holy crap. Look at that guy. Whoa. Damn. That's a big spider.
Holy crap, dude. We thought the guy up on top was big. Oh. It switched to the wrong camera. Nice. Come here. Guy. Oh, he crawled through the brake clean. Whoops. Oh, there you go. You're all right. That's a big spider, dude. That's a big spider. Yeah, he's a little confused. He crawled through the brake clean where I washed my hands. Oops. Yeah, he'll be fine. Trying to get all the frickin' paint off my hands. He did it, not me. The brake clean was clearly marked. It's not a dog. I'm coming out of the booth. You want me to usher him outside? Go outside. Go. Dude, that's a big spider for around here. Yeah, just leave him. You do your thing, man. Give him a taste of natural selection by stepping on it? Why? Yo, those spiders eat things. They eat bugs. They eat crickets. They eat all kinds of mosquitoes, all kinds of stuff. They eat them. I'm not killing him. You stay here. He is useful to me. Just seriously, get off the floor before I step on you. Join your buddy on top of the truck, man. I think he may have fallen from the ceiling or something, dude. His right leg is all screwed up. Or, well, one of his right legs. Either that or he just went through the brake clean. Birds? Nah, I don't live in Australia. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, not bad, dudes. Not bad. We got another little bit done. Call the fire department. This one's out of control. Don't put it out with your boots, Ted. But yeah, she's coming. Not bad. There's still some stuff going on up here. Here, you guys look at this close. Look at this up close. See the paint all around here? That's definitely sun damage. It melted it off. I don't know how well you guys can see that detail. See all the bubbles in it? Yeah, this is thrashed. This paint is, we might be able to cut and buff it, but there is primer right there, so. But yeah, that isn't anything that I didn't know. Don't tell me my business, devil woman. Call the fire department. One's out of control. Maybe it's repaired damage? Yeah, maybe. All right, guys, 30 minutes is up. How you doing over there? He's not moving. He's not moving. He ain't moving. Yeah, I need better cameras. That's why I had the GoPro, and that's why I have the other camera, but yeah, the GoPro doesn't work, and I have to unpack the other camera still. What about more are you gonna call and get your holiday started? I don't know, man. Rip spoder. I mean, dude, that thing is bigger than a quarter. Big spider. You don't see spiders that big around here. Or, well, I guess you do. I've never seen a spider that big around here. Let me put it that way. But EJ, have you seen someone who paints his motorcycle tank with 1K paint? That's how you try to clean the car now. Meaning if you soak the red in gas for a night, it comes right off. Yeah, gas is a great paint stripper, Haji, but there's another spider. Is that the same one? Oh, that's the same one. Dude, I like the white paint too, man, damn. But get the frick off my truck. Go join your buddy over there. Or don't. No. Hey. He's just on the A-pillar like, what the heck are you doing? I mean, if I shut the door now, you're gonna get crushed. You have 15 seconds to comply. I'll do what I did to your boy over there. That sucks. Don't kill this one too, please. Oh, he survived. No, I'm serious. He's in there. Look. Look, survived. See? See him in there? Yeah, he's just chilling. Spider is very being chilling. Just gotta go the Oh, the other guy's moving too. Cool. Seriously though, you guys can go eat bugs outside, please. Do you have the F100 on trolleys? Yep. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, like, look, here. Ready? It's on caster wheels, man. It should bugger off, yes. You need a garage cat. I do, actually, yes. How did you get it on there? The floor jack. I got a big 6-ton floor jack. Yeah. 6,000, or no, that's not a 6-ton floor jack. It's a 2-ton floor jack. I have 6-ton jack stands. That's what it is. Yeah, I just jacked the back of the truck up and put 2 on, and then jacked the front of the truck up and put 2 on. It's got solid axles front and rear. Very easy to work on, the 59. Yeah, see, he's just crawling up the A-pillar. Oh, dude, you can see him. Yeah, right there. See? He's crawling up the A-pillar. Oh, no, that's a paint speck, but he is there. He's on the stainless now. See, he didn't die. He's good. Log stuff in your DMs. Nice. CDLV, I like that. That's cool. Hey, Noswolf, what's going on? Bug moment. All right, we've been out here for a half hour. Let's go back. Yeah, got a lot on my mind. Yeah, okay, Aqualux, yeah. Good, good, just relaxing and ready to format your PC. Runs like caca, yep. Welcome back, Commander. Hello. Just trying to get all the crap off my hands. What are you doing? Well, I got more of the paint off here on the B pillar, Alex. So that's good. Look, it's all white. That's the original paint, dude. See, the truck was this color, and I made sure I got a bed that was the same color as the truck. So, you know, if I did go to repaint it, I wouldn't have to paint the bed as well. The bed could do with a little bit of a repaint though, but yeah, the bed, it's fine. Bruh. The OG paint is not coming off. Wow. Thomas, that's really cool. How you gonna fix the paint chips? I have some correction paint right here. I'll put it on the desk cam so you guys can see it. Of course that camera doesn't work. Why? What? Glossy? No, I'll go, I should have bought it. I'll go get some clear coat, and some clear coat with wet sanding, dude, will make this look nice. It's really the clear that does it. Yeah, you gotta. Dude, get the hell off my truck. So distracting. Get the heck off my truck, old man. Spider's like, nah. Where's his boy? Oh, he's gone. Yep, other guy crawled somewhere else. Sweet, man. Keep eating the damn crickets that come in here. I think that's probably what happened. There were friggin' crickets and flies and stuff in here. Now there isn't. Spider's telling you to get back to KSP. Yeah. All right. Let's jump back. How many cans will that roof need? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna jump back over. That's enough for the stretch break.